me explain normal distribution, how it is useful for us in some practical applications. Here, for example, I have written the IQ of human being when it has been arranged from lowest to highest. So normally we know our IQ is 90 to 110, that is a normal IQ range. And here the mean IQ is 100 and the standard deviation is 10. See, 110 is plus 1 standard deviation, 120 is plus 2 standard deviation, 130 is plus 3 standard deviation. Similarly, on the negative side, 90 is minus 1 standard deviation, 80 is minus 2 standard deviation, 70 is minus 3 standard deviations. So, for our understanding, we'll discuss what is the chance of getting a person's IQ above 130. So we'll discuss. So here above 130 means we know very well mean plus and minus 1 standard deviation is 68% approximately, you know. Similarly, plus 2 and minus 2 standard deviation is 95%, you know very well. Similarly, plus 3 and minus 3 standard deviation is 99.7%, you know very well. So the entire area of the curve is 100%, that also we know very well. So in that case, so here 130 where it falls, let us see. So this 130 falls in the standard deviation plus 3. So the area from minus 3 standard deviation to plus 3 standard deviation is 99.7%. So here what I am going to do, from 100% I am going to subtract this 99.7%. So it is only 0.3%. So this 0.3%, since the curve it goes infinitely on both sides, so this 0.3% is common for both the tails, both the extremes it is common. So what we have to do, since this 130 is situated above this, this is in the positive tail, so what we have to do, 0.3% that should be divided by 2, that is 0.15. So 0.15 is the percentage of getting above 130 IQ. So this is the way we can apply this normal distribution. Similarly, we'll see what is the percentage of getting less than 80 IQ. So less than 80 IQ, again we know very well it is 100% curve, and here 80 to this 120. So we can see, using this normal distribution, it falls between minus 2 standard deviation to plus 2 standard deviation. So this is 100% minus 2 and plus 2, it is 95. So 95, it is only 5 is the result we are getting. So again this 5 is common for above, means below 80 and above 120 it is common. So here below 80 only we require. So in that case above this 130 also we have to subtract. So here what we have to do, 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is 2.5. So 2.5 is the percentage of getting less than 80 IQ. So from this we can even say what is the IQ, or what is the chance of getting above 80 IQ. So here again we know very well, since below 80 we know very well. So 100 minus, so 100 above 80, that is 100 we know. So only below 80, so we know very well. So it is already, since we found 2.5, so above 80 to get it is 97.5% is the chance of getting above 80% of IQ. So this is what the way we can apply this normal distribution, and we can identify where we stand. Similarly, when we take a sample study, our sample mean where it stands, we can identify using from the mean the standard score, that is the Z score, where it stands, whether it is within 1 standard deviation or 2 standard deviation or 3 standard deviation. So based on that we can identify where it stands. Thank you.